Get ready for some high-speed family excitement.
The reopening of
Sonic
Easton.
video game franchise from Sega, Sonic the Hedgehog, is here. Can Sonic defeat evil genius Dr. Robotnik, played by none other than Jim Carrey, and save the world? Let Redbox bring you together.
There's water back in the fountain. Yay!
Make it a family movie night and visit redbox.com for all the ways to watch. Prices may vary.
Never been easier or more affordable to have a gutter helmet installed on your home for free. For a free product
Look
demonstration,
at all the
gutter
people,
analysis
the
and a quote.
chaos.
Call 8885-HELMET
This guy
or
cutting me
visit
off.
HarryHelmet.com. Do it today to schedule your contactless appointment and virtual consultation. For
Ah, he's
limited
from
time,
Indiana.
Get a free
Go
installation
figure.
on gutter helmet and in addition, qualified customers.
Sport there, but also your own Columbus Blue Jackets mascot is up for best mascot. So you can vote for that at NHL.com/fan choice awards. NHL.com/fan choice awards. And in other sports news, according to BarstoolSports.com, Governor Mike DeWine has renewed his season football tickets for Ohio State football season. That is according to BarstoolSports.com. So whether that's true or false, I do not know, but that BarstoolSports.com reported that. So fingers crossed for a Buckeye football season.
Being a mom is the perfect mix of fun and frenetic and frustrating, right? Hi, it's Stacey McKay, and I invite you to listen to our Momcast podcast. It's a podcast by moms